Everybody says if you're happy, you can keep others happy. But nobody tells you how are you supposed to keep yourself happy. Hi, I'm Nidhi, proud mother of a young man, creator of my own life, a lifelong seeker, an omnivert, a textile expert turned communication skills trainer, turned life coach, turned an author. So with this philosophy of keeping myself happy, I've taken several decisions in life. And each time I've realized I'm not truly happy. बहुत सोचा क्यों ऐसा होता है. So I thought a lot about it. I looked back at my life, I observed situations around me, and I came to one conclusion. Maybe I'm wrong, but ये मेरा conclusion है, my opinion about this, where I understood that all our lives we are conditioned to keep others happy. दूसरों को खुश करो, दूसरों को प्यार करो, दूसरों का ध्यान रखो. And in this process, nobody really tells us कि हमें अपने आप को कैसे देखना है, हमें अपना ध्यान कैसे रखना है. How are we supposed to love ourselves? यही होता है ना, बचपन से हम लोगों को यही सिखाया जाता है. And that's how we grow in different stages in our lives. As a child, you're supposed to be good, think about others. आप बड़े होते हो, आपकी शादी होती है, you're supposed to take care of your partner, husband, wife, and the extended family. You have kids, you're supposed to take care of your kids. और इस सब में आप कोई खो जाते हो. And you start finding your happiness in those people. वो लोग खुश हैं तो आप खुश हो. I am talking on behalf of every person, be it a man or a woman. So अगर हमारा पार्टनर, हमारे loved ones खुश हैं तो हम खुश हैं और हम उसको happiness का नाम दे देते हैं. Of course, that is happiness for sure. लेकिन उसके बाद क्यों आप अपने लिए कुछ ढूंढ रहे हो? Why are you searching for happiness for yourself? Why are you searching for that one thing to find peace in? कभी सोच के देखा है कि क्यों? क्योंकि अपने लिए तो किया ही नहीं कुछ भी. अगर अपने लिए किया होता फिर इतना कुछ ढूंढने की जरूरत ही क्यों पड़ती? खुश क्यों नहीं हो आप? Well, मैं भी नहीं थी. For a long time I wasn't. And I noticed today when I notice and I reflect back कि जब मैंने अपने बारे में सोचा और मैंने decision लेना चाहा, I was always told I am being so selfish. लेकिन जब मैं दूसरों का ध्यान रख रही थी तब तो मुझे किसी ने नहीं बोला कि मैं selfish हो रही हूँ, कि मैं क्या अच्छा कर रही हूँ, क्या बुरा कर रही हूँ. And forget about that. The best thing is दूसरों ने तो जो बोला सो बोला. I used to feel guilty about it. मैंने अपने आप को देखना बंद कर दिया था. My soul was dependent on somebody else, some other people, some other situations. My happiness was external. Is it complicated? But that's the fact. It wasn't easy, but I learned to take care of myself. I learned to take decisions for myself. I learned to be selfish. उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं दूसरों को देखना छोड़ दिया या दूसरों से प्यार करना छोड़ दिया और I'm running away from my responsibilities. No, I'm not doing that. And what I did was nothing but self-love. Today my happiness does not depend on anybody outside. Everybody is self-sufficient. सब कुछ हो जाता है. आप invincible हो नहीं और आप irreplaceable भी नहीं. So, love yourself. Let me give you some very simple tips to start with if you find it really tough to love yourself. सबसे पहले, stop comparing yourself to others. Secondly, don't worry about other people's opinions. You want to be affected by them? तब तो सब कुछ externally होगा. And it's okay to make mistakes. We are not superhumans. Learn from your mistakes. Okay, fine. Everybody makes mistakes. दूसरों की mistakes pinpoint करना सबसे आसान काम है. सब करते हैं, लेकिन उस चीज का गिल्ट लेकर जीने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. सुपरह्यूमन तो नहीं है ना. जब तक मरेंगे नहीं, गलतियां करते रहेंगे और उन्हीं गलतियों से सीखेंगे. And be proud of who you are. I'm telling you very simple tips. I'm not asking you to leave other people behind. उनको साथ लेकर चलिए, लेकिन अपने आप को मत भूलिए. That's very important. Self-love is the key. And the reason why I'm talking about self-love today is क्योंकि ये question बहुत बार मेरे सामने आया है. And I know it's very tough. And another reason is because this coming Friday when I do my Insta Live, it's going to be about self-love. I want you to join me on Insta Live. Talk to me about what you do to love yourself. What do you think about it? And I will also share some tips how you can start working on it. And I have an important announcement to make during my Insta Live. And until then, I want you to start loving yourself. Think about yourself. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so that you can keep updated with me and we can work together to make sure that you live your best life. I'm going to see you soon again, and until then, please stay safe, please love yourself, think about yourself,